Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Farmers Insurance easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect with Farmers Insurance, start by visiting their official website. Once you're on the home page, locate the Contact Us section. Click on this section to reveal various contact options. If you prefer to call, find the customer service phone number listed. Note the hours of operation to ensure you call at a convenient time. For those interested in online communication, look for a chat option. Click on the chat feature to speak with a representative in real time. If you prefer email, find the email support address displayed. Compose a detailed message outlining your inquiry or request. If you have a specific agent in mind, search for them using the Agent Locator tool. Enter your zip code to find agents in your area. Once you've found an agent, click on their profile for contact details. You can then call or email the agent directly for personalized assistance. For claims or policy inquiries, visit the claims section on the website. Follow the prompts to submit your claim online. If you encounter any issues, consider using the FAQ section for common questions. Take your time to review the information provided to ensure you're well informed. Lastly, consider setting up an account on their website for easier future access. This will allow you to manage your policy and contact support whenever needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.